3 months ago, I was not able to speak a simple English sentence without thinking a lot, not even "how are you?" But today I can speak English confidently, with clarity and fluency. Here are the best tips to learn English in 3 months without spending any money or moving to abroad. 1. Wrote my thoughts in English, whether it was diary entries, WhatsApp messages, or captions. I tried to express my feelings in English. Writing helped me organize my thoughts clearly. 2. Listened more than I spoke. Listening helped me learn natural sentence flow. I trained my ears before trying to speak fluently. 3. Thought in English, not just translated. Slowly I tried to think English instead of translating it from my native language. That's when fluency started developing. 4. Asked questions and stayed curious. I never hesitated to ask the meaning of new words or phrases. Curiosity became my biggest teacher. 5. Surrounded myself with English. I started reading English books every day, even a little, followed English YouTubers, watched movies with English subtitles. 6. Spoke English without fear, even if I was wrong. I practiced speaking English with friends or even to myself in the mirror. I didn't wait to be perfect, and I improved by speaking. 7. Used free tools and apps. I used apps like Duolingo and Chat to expand vocabulary. 8. Stayed consistent, even on lazy days. I told myself, even one step a day will take me forward. I stayed committed even when progress felt slow. 9. Treated it like a life skill, not a subject. I stopped treating English like an exam subject. I saw it as a tool to connect with the world, for opportunities, growth, and confidence. 10. Read every day. I made it a habit to read storybooks, articles, and newspapers in English. Even 10 minutes a day made a difference over time. Key: remember, fluency is not about perfection. It's about progress and practice.